2020 placed Ansell directly on the front lines of the COVID-19 health crisis. As the world braced for the impact of the pandemic, we were tasked with making extraordinary efforts to step up and help. Applying experience gained in January at our facility in China, our teams worked tirelessly to set the standard for safety and ensure that our plants around the world were operating, even as other companies were forced to shut down. We maximized supply despite unprecedented disruption, reconfigured our plants with new safety protocols, and expanded production of single-use chemical and surgical gloves, as well as suits. Despite many COVID-related challenges, Ansell delivered a strong business performance in F20, with sales increasing 9%, EBIT up 21%, EPS up 24% on a constant currency basis, and cash conversion of 118%. The last 3 years have now delivered annual EPS constant currency growth at double-digit percentages, and cash conversion has exceeded 100% on average for the period. This consistently strong performance is allowing Ansell to step up our investments and, more importantly, our ambition level for long-term PPE industry leadership. All of this has been made possible by a very deliberate strategy to make Ansell an innovation and manufacturing powerhouse. Over the last 10 years, we've focused our portfolio on safety solutions, securing the number 1 or 2 position in each segment worldwide. We built the most recognized and trusted brands like HyFlex, AlphaTech, Microflex, and Gamex, and expanded our global sales force to more than 800 staff with an emphasis on emerging markets. We are now leveraging our master data to deliver solutions to customers worldwide through new digital channels, increasing self-service access and readily available safety advice. This strategy has been fueled by investments of more than $1 billion in M&A in life science, body protection, mechanical, chemical, and single-use gloves, and $500 million invested in manufacturing and IT. This was financed by a combination of consistently strong cash flows and divestment of non-core businesses such as sexual wellness and rubber boots. The recent completion of our transformation program achieved a smaller footprint of larger world-class manufacturing facilities, and it is in these plants that we have now increased investments and capacity further. The past year saw a significant increase in capital equipment investment, from $42 million average annual spending to $65 million in FY20, and a projected $95 to $105 million in FY21. Signature investments in the production of mechanical, single-use, chemical, electrical insulating, and synthetic surgical gloves, as well as body protection and clean room packaging, are now being completed in 6 countries. In addition to these investments, Ansell acquired a 50% stake in the Malaysian surgical and exam glove supplier CarePlus in February, providing additional capacity precisely when it was needed most. Ansell has become a unique integrated innovator, manufacturer, and marketer of differentiated products, opening new doors that will accelerate growth of sales and profitability in the coming years. We have also been able to advance our CSR and sustainability agenda. Our shift away from oil and gas burners to biomass and solar power, and our focus on decreasing water usage have been taking center stage. Our commitment to the safety of our workforce also remains steadfast, and lost time to injury rates have remained low. With an incredible 89% participation rate in our 2020 employee survey, our scores moved up 900 basis points to world-class levels for a manufacturing company. The unwavering dedication of our employees, particularly during times of crisis, is what makes Ansell, Ansell. Combined with our world-leading brands, strategic investments, a strong balance sheet, and recurring cash flow, we will continue to set the tone for the PPE industry now and when COVID-19 is behind us, all while delivering shareholder returns that few others can match. Welcome to Ansell's 2020 Capital Markets Day.